What kind of meat is this?
Well, dude, for day 5, we're going over tri-tip. And the tri-tip is basically just the bottom of the sirloin cap. Shoda's teriyaki sauce. Now I could just let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes.
So is this literally just the bottom of a sirloin steak?
Yeah, correct. This is the bottom of the sirloin, and it is also a very tender cut too. Yeah, it's really good.
Are you cooking this like a normal steak?
Cooking it like a normal steak, searing it off. Also, since it has that teriyaki, I'm on a little bit lower heat so it doesn't burn. Now we pour some more of that teriyaki.
What are you doing here?
I'm just resting the steak. Look at my meat wiggle, Michael. Juicy meat. Assaulted.
Salted.
Assaulted. Steak.